Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2020 Kia Sportage, and I'm going to do a quick video installation on how to install the Chrome Delete for the rear piece for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation. It's just a regular chrome piece, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the look of the vehicle. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the video. Okay, so before we start with the installation, we want to make sure we prep the panel. So you can use any cleaning solution that's safe for the vehicle to use, just as long as once you're finished cleaning the panel, that the whole panel is dry as well, because for each Chrome Delete installation it requires a dry panel to work with. So for the installation, you can start from either end, just as long as wherever you start you align the film to the edge and you're covering the chrome. And with this one, you can use the top section of the panel as a guide in order to install the film. So just make sure you're covering all of the chrome, and if you feel like you need to readjust the film, you can always go back and lift it, but just make sure to be careful when you're lifting. You don't want to accidentally tear the film, so just be cautious when you're lifting the film. So as you can see, once you reach to the other side of the panel, it's going to do a full coverage, and you are going to have just a little bit of excess material. That excess material you could just trim off. So after you align the film, grab your squeegee and start tacking the film down. Work with the flat surface first. If you do have fingers, those fingers we could remove them with heat, but for right now it's just helping the film tack down to the panel. And then start securing it from the bottom. Okay, and just to help the tacking down process, now we could add heat all around the film. That way the film starts tacking down more better. And after the heat, we can start trimming off the excess material. Okay, and now we can start trimming off the excess material. Just be careful where you pass your blade. Make sure you're not scratching the chrome or the actual plastic of the bumper. So find that gap between these two sections, and that's where you'll pass your blade to trim off the excess material. Okay, and now again, the last thing to do once you finish trimming is post-heating the whole film. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it doesn't lift over time. So just go section by section with your heat gun just to help the adhesive activate faster. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the rear Chrome Delete piece for the 2020 Kia Sportage. Pretty quick and simple installation for this piece here. Just make sure everything's aligned, squeegee it down, trim off excess material, and just add heat to finish the job. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.